Hey everyone, welcome back. If Viber media like photos and videos are not downloading, do not worry, this can be fixed easily. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then, go ahead and click More in the Viber and go to Settings, and then check Media and Auto Download options. Make sure they are enabled. Then, check your phone storage. Head over to your settings app and then go to iPhone storage and check your storage because low storage space can stop downloads. If it still does not work, restart your phone and try again. Then head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for Viber, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Then your media now should download properly. Don't worry. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.